MC wa ward ya BUGAUKIRIA starunduranira ugite CIBITARI sub-county ya KANYAKINE ni kurigiria cukuru ya rigitani ya KANYAKINE kwejana mo ûtungata jonthe kenda gutungatira ontupo ugite nandi akaritaniria ngugi gwa kwina gavana Kawira Mwangaza kenda gutigira itanda bya ajini bikwongerwa na gukinya magana jairi kagite na kare nandi ni itanda 120 bilioni ongerete na kuga bagachwa kinya mandaktari bangi na ataramu irinjira ya Gûûkîria cukuru yo mutugikare atocha.
Narwa cukuru ya KMTC campus ya KANYAKINE nithirite gicokia njara kiriturari bakiambire na kuthira thoko ya KANYAKINE na kiambire bakiritanire kuthimira mwingi mirimo mwanya mwanya aria akiaria nandi munini wa mwarimu munene kiri cukuru eje Gabriel Maina nithirite agitarire moja mathina njara bathirite bagikurukira.
Would like to offer nursing courses and clinical medicine courses. It has not been possible simply because there are some requirements that our teaching facility had not met. Not only the teaching facility, even KMTC, we have a shortage on human resource. The other challenge that we might talk about is on hostels. Some of the students who come from far feel a bit insecure when they are not in house, and more so the new students. So if we can get a way of constructing hostels for our students, that would be quite appreciated. Right now, students, sometimes they go hungry because we don't have enough catering services in our locality. That's another challenge, that if we get hostels, we can also have the catering department in our college. We have a problem of enough classrooms, but as we have heard today, the project has been funded, so we are expecting to have, after the project is completed, we will be having enough classrooms.
Skuru ejithirite keja na kosi thatu aki na DMC weturari arunduranira na ugite bota thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru bagatigira CIBITARI ya KANYAKINE ni kunene na kuongerwa motungata nkuruki njara jagatuma skuru ejithire kiritanaga kosi cionthe
kwenda CIBITARI yetu ya KANYAKINE level 4 iomba kwithira ina bed capacity ya 200 patients para bomba kutha bande metetwa CIBITARI neje na ingwete kia nontu thai twendereithĩtie nontu maendeleo jonthe jara jari CIBITARI iji jari o tayari turawambiririe mochari ngavana na turugurira mochari iturathithirio ngavana nendereithĩtie maternity ire gu increase the capacity ya arito bana around 60 kwa so far twina itanda 120 na ingwete kia ngavana wetu agatutegerera ou enderete ututegera no tunyana atwenjere mbwa the other day na ingwete kia tukongerera itanda na tukiongairwo inya personnel no tuitwendekana kwithira kwina consultants bathatu kenda ninge CIBITARI umba kurugurwa kenda campus yetu umba gwitikirirwa irugurwe match na the national outlook uraba ejana services yu inge jionde na courses jionde kenda batu antu ba Meru bomba utetheka
na muthiene kirithurania no ritia karibeturari na muthiene kiriaru no ritia karibeturari kubaretera aritwa na kuruki kugaritwa bae kurukagira thina ciege BC na ugite obisi aweka batetheria na kigina kia mbasari
na ikio twa encourage antu betu na other stakeholders bombe kureta aritwa antureje kana cukuru eje kenda bomba kumbenefit bombe kwa prime bursaries nonto ana baumete from various backgrounds kenda inyabo bomba gutetheka na bathoma batina stress.
Kuma KANYAKINE wandine ya BUGAUKIRIA gicigo mbunge kia Southiment nkiripoti Ranto Wero Juma kwarietwa ni mutugi kare.